Hi, have a look at some of the most important maths resources for foundation phase classroom. This is so important when we are dealing with addition, counting, subtraction, multiplication as well. And this is the one that I use, and this is the one that learners use. Right, we have base 10 blocks. This stands for thousands, hundreds, and we have tens somewhere. This is for tens, and this is for units. Base 10 blocks are basically used when we are dealing with numbers, operations, and relationships. This helps in order for learners to have the basic understanding of numbers. Okay, then we have 6 bricks blocks. You can use them for data handling. They can also be used for numbers, operations, and relationships as well. They can be used for multiplication, addition, and subtraction as well. Let me give an example with the number 10. We have 10 minus 5. If we have a 10 bricks and then we take out 5, let's say this is 10, and then they would have an understanding that if I take out 5, then I would be left with 5 bricks. Right, this one to the side. Then we have number cards. It's basically for learners to have an understanding of why do we have, for example, 787? This is 787. Learners would have the basic understanding that 787 is formed by the number 787. This can also be used for addition as well, where you'd have 787 plus 191, for an example, and we would use these number cards to do that. Okay, this one to the side. And the next one we have is money cards. So money cards are used basically when we are dealing with money, and they can be effective in helping learners to have understanding of money and change and the adding of money and solving money problems. Those are nodes, and we basically have them in 200s. We have 200 here, 50, and there is coins as well. We have 1 rands and 5 rands as well. The next one is the clock. The clock is used when we are dealing with time. They understand the passing of time, and it's very much important for you to ensure that the learners also have their own time inside their books. And we also have the number chart, similar to the one that we have pasted at the back. So you would have it as the teacher at the front of the classroom, and learners are supposed to have it at the back of their books as well, meaning that you'd have one for from 1 until 200, and as the year progresses in each term, the number range increases, meaning that the number range of the number chart inside the learner's book should also increase as well. And number charts are not only used for counting, they can be used for doing addition as well. And then we have the cubes, the 100 cubes. They can also be used for counting, patterns, and data handling as well.